Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Marin Recebal, 44 years old. I am a high school graduate. I live in Barangay Acerida, Bubong, Philippines. I am married with one daughter, aged 15 years old. My work experience as a nanny since 2017 to 2020 in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia with one employer. I serve 4 members of the family, 2 adults, one elderly, and one 5 years old baby girl. Part of my duties are taking care of the kids, neat and clean, preparing her healthy meals, organizing her stuff, assisting her schoolwork, doing some educational activities. Play with her, teach him a proper hygiene, teach him a good manners and right conduct. I do also a household chores, cleaning, ironing, cooking, and washing the clothes. My second experience as a nanny since 2022 to 2024 in United Arab Emirates. I served 6 members of the family, 2 adults and 4 children, aged 8, 10, 12, and 14. My main duties and responsibilities are taking care to save the kids, providing love and care inside and out of the house, and preparing healthy meals for her. I do also a household chores, cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, and washing the clothes. As a nanny, I am hardworking, flexible, honest, understanding, and love and care. I can assure you, Ma'am and Sir, that I give 100% love and care and treat me as my own child. To my future employer, thank you for your time, trust, and God bless.